Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Banner. Subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and save it. Welcome to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments and I will respond as soon as possible. Now let's get started. What exactly is a solar pergola? A solar pergola is a beautifully designed outdoor structure that combines form and function. It provides shelter and a relaxing space, and at the same time, it's equipped with solar panels that turn sunlight into usable electricity. You can use it as a garden lawn, a patio cover, or even a carport, where it quietly powers your home using sunlight. And the best part, it's fully customizable to match your home's look, layout, and lifestyle. So, how does it work? Solar pergolas skillfully capture and convert sunlight through solar panels installed on their structure. The photovoltaic cells use the photovoltaic effect to convert solar energy into electricity, and the power can run your appliance, charge batteries, or even go back to the grid. Now let's talk advantages. It provides an opportunity for homeowners without suitable roof to utilize solar energy. It makes effective use of garden space, allowing the area below to be used for leisure activities, avoiding the problem of ground-mounted solar panels take up the garden space. Also, installing solar panels on pergolas can be a more aesthetic pleasing solution than roof-mounted. For more homeowners who already have solar panels, pergolas offer a valuable option to increase electricity production, and it maintains garden usability by preserving working space even after installation. What is the cost of solar panel pergolas? Using Sungold 415-watt solar panel as an example, a 6 square meter pergola can accommodate 3 to 5 panels. 3 panels provide enough power for the average household basic needs, while 5 panels serve households with higher power demands. The cost for 3 to 5 solar panels and the installation ranges from about £2,108 to £3,513, including pergola construction or remodeling. If you already own a solar pergola kit, you only pay this amount. Building from scratch can cost between £5,108 and £11,513, depending on your design materials and the panel quantity. Despite the initial investment, a solar pergola can save you money on electricity bill and support sustainable living. Why choose Sungold panels? Beneficial technology increases energy efficiency. Dual-side design boosts power output by 5% to 22% compared to traditional panels. 13 years service life ensures stable long-term energy supply. Comprehensive warranty for secure investment. 12 years product warranty. 13 years linear power warranty. Low declaration rate, long-lasting performance. Only 0.45% annual power degradation over 13 years. Class A fire resistance for high safety, suitable for homes or industry sites. High environment durability. And here's some good news for our US viewers. Can solar panel pergola qualify for the federal solar tax credit? Absolutely yes. Solar panel mounted on a pergola qualify for the U.S. federal solar tax credit, subject to certain conditions. This tax credit is an incentive offered by the U.S. government to promote renewable energy adoption and make it more affordable for homeowners. Some people may even receive free solar panels from the government. On the ITC, homeowner can deduct a percentage of the installed cost of the solar energy system, including panels, equipment, and the installation on the federal tax return. The exact credit percentage depends on the year the system was installed. To qualify, the solar panel must be installed on your primary or secondary residence in the U.S. and generate electricity for that residence. Also, the installation must meet all applicable local building codes, regulations, and safety standards. Homeowners should also know that some state and local governments offer an additional rebate or tax benefit. Finally, it is highly recommended to consult a tax professional or renewable energy expert before starting your solar panel project to fully understand and utilize all available incentives. Wondering how to install one? First of all, Sungold suggests trying to get professionals to install panels with solar panels. If you are knowledgeable in this area, you can opt for DIY. The steps include inspecting the panel structure. If the panels are to be installed on an existing panel, the team will inspect the structure to confirm it can bear the extra weight. Next, if the structure is sound, the bracket and the mounting system are installed to secure the solar panels. Then the solar panels are mounted using high-efficient modules like Sungold 450 watts ensures stronger energy conservation. After that, the system is connected to the home's electric system. An inverter is also installed to convert the DC power generated by the panel into usable AC power for your home. If you are building a new solar panel, then the frame, materials, and the stability must be complete first before panel installation. Thank you for your watching. If you like this kind of content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We will regularly post more knowledge and content about solar products. See you next time. Bye bye.